In this tutorial, you'll learn how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram, also known as a carousel post. Instagram allows you to post multiple photos or videos in a single post, but sometimes you may want to remove just one of them. Here's how you can do it. Unlock your phone and locate the Instagram app icon. Tap on it to open the app. Tap on your profile picture or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. Scroll through your profile until you find the carousel post from which you want to remove a photo. Tap on the carousel post to open it fully. Once the post is open, you'll see a three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the post. Tap on it to access the Post Options menu. From the Options menu, select Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the post. After entering Edit mode, you'll see the individual photos or videos in the carousel at the bottom of the screen. Swipe through them until you find the one you want to delete. Then tap on the photo you want to remove. After selecting the photo you want to delete, look for the trash can icon or the option to delete that specific photo. Tap on it to delete the selected photo from the carousel post. Instagram will ask you to confirm whether you want to delete the photo. Confirm the deletion. After deleting the photo, tap on Done to save your changes to the carousel post. And that's it. You successfully deleted one photo from a carousel post on Instagram. The remaining photos in the carousel will remain unchanged. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Instagram tips. Thank you for watching.